Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here's your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with UK FTSE futures. An outside and bearish matching pattern yesterday as the market highlighted its apparent bearishness without actually going anywhere. We still have significant resistance above in the form of the high of April at 76.35 and February at 76.29.5. And even 2 weeks ago at 76.31. But the market seems once again cautious about testing it. Meanwhile, below we have support at the combination of the flatlining short medium moving average, currently at 7400, and the ever so slowly rising medium moving average, currently 7406. Thus we seemed once again to be in a bit of a dead zone. The only thing is that I keep looking at the action this year, and part of me sees a reverse head and shoulders type pattern, even if the neckline would require a very flexible French curve to trace it. Well, so far today, a strong bearish move so far with what looks like a bearish opening black Mariposa. It has dropped down to the previously highlighted supports of the short medium and medium moving averages and has just about held. Below this we have the next Fibonacci congestion in the 72.87 to 72.91 area. The market tried to get down to these last week but was rebuffed just before reaching it, so please bear that in mind. German DAX futures. A combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern yesterday, which may not be as strong as it initially sounds. Prices opened yesterday well higher over the combination of the declining short-medium moving average, currently at 14.134, and the neckline, currently 14.163, of the December 2021 to February 2022 head and shoulders top. However, an attempt higher to reach the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 14.342 failed, and prices subsequently dropped down until they were once again embroiled within the wide congestion band 13.804 to 14.079, where the market closed. So far today, well, it's an interesting move lower, with a lower open and a push down through the 13.804 to 14.079 congestion band. However, prices have not been that enthusiastic in trying lower, failing to reach and test the next support below. That's the congestion at 13.636 as yet, though we are coming closer. We're interested to see where we close tonight, as the last time prices traded down here, that was early last week, they reverted immediately higher. US E-mini S&P futures. A reactionary bearish double, which came so close, as I actually remarked to a colleague of mine yesterday, so close to being a daily key reversal down and also a possible weekly key reversal down. But the market didn't, so let's say no more on this. Prices did form a possible pipe top in the process as well. The move down seemed seamlessly to glide down through the middle time, currently at 42.43, of the January to March bearish shift pitchfork. Prices only started to slow their decline upon approach to the June 2021 low at 41.26, failing to close below it. Now, this had happened on a closing basis last week, as well as back in March and February. We nevertheless have a large bearish pattern for yesterday's action. Overall, the market is still within the two bearish pitchforks created from the January to March action. That is, now below the middle tine of the shift pitchfork, currently at 42.43, but above the middle tine of the Andrews pitchfork, currently 39.99. Finally, please don't forget the influence of the lagging indicator previously mentioned. That's the dead cross of the declining medium moving average, currently 45.04, that it made through the long moving average, currently at 45.19. So far today, a fresh attempt lower, cautiously as the market penetrates the June 2021 low once again. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyrights Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.